actually at the last station into the factory, what we call the shipping area. So what we want to do in the shipping area is control what goes into the truck. So first little thing that we do is creating truckloads that we call inside the system. A truckload can be a combination of different work orders. So it doesn't have to be just one work order that you load in the truck. It could be a combination of multiple work order or even service call if needed to. So once you have your truckload created, the operator goes in and select the truck he wants to load, and he's going to see all the items that he needs to go get. And also using the allocation as we saw before, well, it's easy to know where all the items are in the factory and go get the items needed towards that level. Now, how thing is happening is once they're loading up the product, they will scan the item and automatically the system will flash in green if it belongs into that truck and also update the status to say it's been shipped. Another key point that we want to do is if the operator scans an item that does not belong into that truck, well, automatically by scanning it, the system will flash in red to let me know that this product does not belong in that truckload. So I'm avoiding to have errors and loading items that does not belong in that delivery and have to go back to get the right item. You're controlling what goes into that truck. Other little thing that we want to do is that we're able to generate in real time a shipping report. So I'm loading up into the screen the shipping report that combines every information and what's inside of the truck, what's missing towards that, and I even have a stamp date that shows me when it has been scanned and been loaded into the truck as it goes.